Hello guys, today with me again Nina. So today I come to meet you guys to introduce you guys to the new campaign that we have at the moment for the Xpander Cross 2023. So the new campaign that we have for this Xpander Cross for now, the campaign is the lower interest with the 1.69% and with down payment 25% for the down payment, and you can pay for 48 installments for this campaign. So Xpander Cross for this model. So for this model, you see that the color is special color. We call this color is green, metallic green. So some of the customer cannot see, think that it's not really green, but it's special color. So it's look like green, but somehow it look like gray. So that's why we call it special color. Alright, this model is come with the special accessory. This is not the original accessory. This is the special kit that we put to the Xpander Cross. The name of this accessory is the Victor model. So if you are booked for this campaign, you will get also this Victor accessory with that campaign for free. So for this campaign, for the customer who interested for this campaign, you can booking for this campaign for only 3,000 baht if you like it, and also maybe you want to test drive for this model, you can come to visit me at Lung Jalern, Mitsubishi Lung Jalern. For the customer who like to come to make a test drive, you need to booking first, so then I can be here to assist you for the test drive. So if you would like to come to test drive, you can call me at my phone number 064 5199 719. So I will be here to assistant you for any that you need and make your dream come true with the dream that you want to serve your family and to do the exciting adventure life. Live life and adventure with Xpander Cross.